we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Riceshoot 8 pieces bulk artificial Christmas trees, URN filler LED lighted outdoor pre-lit Christmas trees with cones and red berries. 2.23 feet mini tripod stake tabletop Christmas trees decoration for porch. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Made of quality materials, these fake pre-lit Christmas trees are made of quality materials, durable enough, giving you a convenient and elegant Christmas tree alternative. Each LED light need 3 AA batteries, which are not included. Product size, each of the tabletop Christmas trees with lights measures 2.23 feet tall, making them ideal for tabletop, porch, or other places you want to decorate. Christmas tree with mini tripod stake is easy to install and will fill your home with Christmas atmosphere in minutes. Stylish design, each of our artificial Christmas tree is decorated with pine cones and red berries, making the Christmas tree full of life and adding a touch of color to your Christmas. These tabletop Christmas trees with LED lights can illuminate your porch at night and make your Christmas day warmer. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.